Aloha guys, I am Nick Pugay, Hawaii photographer, and we have a new product here from Essex Water Housings. The owner is Mike Wagoner, and I'm really excited about this product because, first of all, I didn't have to send in my equipment. He has a 3D printer. All he needed was the information from my product, and he could make it at home. So why don't we dig in and see if his product will fit my housing. Recycle and reuse. Oh, don't forget you forgot the wing nuts, Mike. Oh, my bad. Found it. It's pretty dope, Mike. I didn't have to send him any of my equipment, and this thing fit like a glove on the first try. That's amazing. So for those of you out there, those you photographers who don't like to be away from your equipment for 3-4 weeks at a time, Essex Water Housings is the way to go if you're trying to look for a company to make you a water housing. As I described to Mike, I wanted the lens and the port up really close to the lens so that there's no reflection while I'm shooting, and that's pretty darn good. Especially since I didn't have to send my equipment. Right on, Mike. You're awesome. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get updates on my next project with this housing. Aloha.